Just don't move this.
There's Kim getting on Rain.
She's on her now. Oh my gosh.
And they're going for a ride through the horsey park. And here comes Silver.
No, this is the first time.
There goes Silver. And do Rain again.
It's the first time Kim's been on her horse.
And Kim is so excited she is about to pee in her pants.
She said Kim's so excited she's about to pee in her pants. Rain's coming close. Don't move,
Silver.
don't move them. This is an eventful day in the neighborhood.
And now, there's Silver and Rain. Silver is a new horse who Brian
Oh my God.
And there goes Kim. Oh.
I knew that damn horse was a nice little horse.
Boom, 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 boom. Oh, look, they're doing the same things. I can't believe it.
That's my horse!
Well, they don't need to get Rain trained, do they?
Kim said you don't, Alexa said you don't need to get Rain trained. I'm so glad you finally tried it. I was shocked when you got up. I said, ain't no way.
I gotta eat this treat over there quick.
Oh yeah. Wait, Kim, wait. Let Kim do it, Alexa. Brian, get your horse to come over this way some. But I got a picture of her, but not much.
That was Rain's special dinner trip. And now Kim can't believe she just rode her horse Rain. To Rain, not Silver. And there's Silver, Brian's new horse.
You'll have to call, what's her name? Dallas.